Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about how to. Oh, what happened? About this project about how to find the area of square, rectangle, circle, and the volume for cube. And this is also a project. So here's the project. The project is we have four buttons: square, rectangle, circle, cube. And including close, which is five buttons. When you press on the four buttons, it will give us the area. And when we press on cube, it will give us the volume. And when we press the close button, it'll close the window and destroy it. So here's what we did. You know this part, top level, right? This includes top level message box. Two of these. Okay, let's go from the start of the code where you actually have to start. So you know this. This is easy. You know these buttons and all of that. So let's talk about the functions. If we talk about the first function, which is where on window one, we have to make global entry and entry one. We always have to make the entries global, no matter what. Okay? So sorry. So window one, that's our new window, equals the top level window equals the top level window, right? What happened? Top level window. Then window one dot title is rectangle, because that's the first thing we're gonna do. Then window one dot geometry 640x430. Then label equals the tk dot label window one, comma text, enter the length of in centimeters. It's like frame one, but it's just different. Label.pack pad y equals to 10. So we're giving the pad y. You know what pad y is. And then entry, tk.entry is window 1. And then pack the entry label into the width. Then pack that label entry, right? Then pack the entry. Then button is for the submit, pack it, and the close button. Then pack it. What did I just do? I don't know. Okay, I did something bad. Global entry to, top level window to that title in the geometry. We can skip these parts because you know those parts. Label, okay, enter the radius in centimeters, packet, then write then entry, then is the submit button, right? Then pack it, then the close button, then pack the close button, right? Then we have window 3, the third window. So the first one was rectangle, second one was circle, then the third one is now square, if you see here. Okay. So for window 3, right? Label into the Latin centimeters, pack it, then make entry for it, submit button, then pack it, then the close button. Now window 4, right? This button, the fourth button is cube. It's cube, okay? So cube, if you're saying about cube, oh, so cube, then it'll make the, what did I just do? Okay, that's better. Yeah, Oh gosh. Yeah, here. So for the cube, oh, this is like gracious. This is the yeah. So then make the entry, then after that, make the submit button, then the close button. This is easy for you. Then the answer. So for rectangle, you know the formula to find area. Side 1 times side 2. We make it an integer because it's not 1, it's a string right now. Then message box. This means it will actually write power 2. Okay? Then define answer 1, which is the circle 3.14 pi r squared, right? So our pi is 3.14. So 3.14 radius power 2. That's square. Then message box. Now for the square, the formula is a power 2, right? A squared. So side 3 power 2. Answer 3, which is a volume for cube, is the same thing, but a power a cube. So side 4 power 3. And message box. So if I run it, right? I'll show you an example. Okay, solve it. That easy, right? If I go for circle, if I say 2, oh, sorry. Yeah, see? If I say square, right? If I say square, 3, see? Was that you curious? Oh, I did this one. No, I did not. So, if you know the mathematics of all this, you can do this programming. It's easy. If you know the mathematics. So, thank you everyone for listening to my video about that, about the area and volume question, question or project. I hope you like it and bye.